Good morning, friends. Welcome to Angrezi Medium. Let us discuss the idioms quickly. The first one is a storm in a teacup. It refers to a great outrage or excitement about a trivial matter, a lot of unnecessary anger and worry about a matter that is not important. किसी बेफजूल मैटर पर बहुत गुस्सा या अपसेट होना. For example, the fights between me and my siblings is just like a storm in a teacup. मेरे और मेरे भाई बहनों के बीच जो लड़ाई होती है वो इतनी सीरियस नहीं होती. They are just like storm in a teacup. Next is takes two to tango. This expression emphasizes that both people involved in a difficult situation must accept the blame. कभी भी किसी सिचुएशन में एक जने की गलती नहीं होती. ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती है. For example, you should not blame only my son for the fight. It takes two to tango. Your son must be at fault too. आपको लड़ाई के लिए सिर्फ मेरे बेटे को ही ब्लेम नहीं करना चाहिए. कहीं ना कहीं आपके बेटे की भी गलती होगी. It takes two to tango. Next, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. This means that it is better and easier to stop a problem or illness from happening than to stop or correct it after it has started. किसी भी प्रॉब्लम या किसी भी बीमारी को शुरू होने से पहले ही सॉर्ट आउट कर लेना चाहिए जिससे कि बाद में ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम ना आए. For example, you should wear mask to the office at this time of COVID-19 because an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. ऑफिस जाते में मास्क ज़रूर लगाएं जिससे आप बचे रहें क्योंकि an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Next is as right as rain. As right as rain means to feel completely well or to feel healthy. एकदम ठीक और स्वस्थ महसूस करना. Example, he will be as right as rain in a couple of days. वो 2 दिन में एकदम ठीक और हेल्दी हो जाएगा. He'll be as right as rain. Last one is bolt from the blue. A bolt from the blue means a sudden unexpected event. Something important or unusual that happens suddenly or unexpectedly. कोई ऐसा इवेंट जो अचानक से हो जाए. For example, his return to India was a bolt from the blue. उसका इंडिया वापस आना बहुत शॉकिंग था. अचानक से हुआ. It was unexpected. It was bolt from the blue. So these were the idioms for today. Hope you liked. Stay connected for more such videos. Do subscribe and share this video. Thank you.